PGL is no stranger to delivering important, time-sensitive projects. One of the most important projects is the kitting, distribution, and delivery of COVID-19 test kits.
I'm Jason Beardsley. I'm the Director of Contract Logistics, and I run our Complete Supply Chain Solutions division at PGL. This facility is designed to be a kit production facility for one of our customers. We assemble COVID testing kits that are distributed throughout the United States. We're receiving bill of materials for multiple outputs that we can produce hundreds of thousands of kits and have full track and traceability of all of the individual components as they come into our system and the outputs of those bill of materials as they leave our operation. Once they've assembled the kit in full, that gets transferred into a QC cell, and the QC team will follow the proper procedures to inspect the completed kits and package those up to be sent over to our fulfillment center.
The professional teams at PGL coordinate the receiving of the various kit components to a central location, where they are assembled into a lot-controlled and back-traceable medical test kit that will be used to help millions of people.
I'm Hannah Dorn. I'm the Quality Assurance and Compliance Coordinator here at PGL. On a day-to-day basis, I'm making sure that our quality management system is implemented by our employees and all inspections are going through. I'm handling all non-conforming or out-of-compliance materials and reporting that back to our management team. Industry standards along with regulatory government standards are always changing, so it's very important that I'm making sure that we are in current compliance with all of those.
We deliver these kits nationwide to our distribution centers. Our customers then place individual orders through their ERP system, which seamlessly integrates with ours. From the distribution centers, the COVID-19 test kits are delivered to drugstores, hospitals, and other providers across the United States.
Hi, my name is Scott Johnson. I am the Senior Program Manager here at Perimeter Global Logistics. I see the day-to-day operations here for our kitting production and assembly for COVID testing kits. When we first started this operation, we had minimal goals right around 25 to 50,000 kits per week. We are now working at right around 400 to 600,000 kits per week that we can fluctuate with the demand that we are seeing in the field. When we started this, we had just under 20 production stations, and now we have over 80 production stations that are be able to turn on and turn off to make sure that we are fitting with our clients' demands that they're noticing out in the field. And it's really been a neat opportunity to see how we're able to adapt and be agile for our clients as their demand increases or decreases.
PGL handles the entire process from end to end and has one of the most scalable kitting operations in the industry. Our customers can trust that their time-sensitive and important items are accurately distributed both nationwide and internationally. To ship your next big thing, visit shippgl.com or call 833-SHIP-PGL.